In this video, I'm going to be unboxing and assembling the Bauer 20 volt cordless blower. And this has about a 96 mile per hour wind speed, so that's about half of what my old gas blower was. My old gas blower, of course you got your gas oil mix, it's nice and loud, it's heavy, did 200 mile per hour wind speed though. I wound up selling that and I wanted something small and compact and cordless. Now, I do like Bauer cordless tools, so that's why I picked this up. I'm going to get it unboxed. I have my decibel meter, check out how quiet it is, and in a couple weeks after I've used it several times, I'm going to do a full review. So let's get this unboxed and assembled. Now, I wanted a compact cordless blower because I do have to get up on my roof about twice a year and blow out all the leaves out of the gutters. We have lots of trees around us, and leaves, pine needles, everything else gets in the gutters. And it is kind of a pain to lug up my old gas blower. So that's why I wanted this compact electric one. So let's get this put together, see what it sounds like. So once you open up the box, you're looking at about a minute to a minute and a half for full assembly. Now, one thing about the battery, it is recommended to use a 3 amp hour or larger battery on this. Now I have a 5 amp hour battery that I'm going to test it out with. But just so you know, the smaller batteries that come with the drills and that, it's not recommended to use on this blower. Now there is 2 speeds, and you have a little wheel dial right here that goes from off to 1 to 2. So go ahead and put the battery in. Turn this on quick. Like I said earlier in the video, one of the reasons I went with this because it's a little bit quieter and it's lighter weight for getting up on the roof. I want to see just how much quieter it is from my old gas one. Now, those gas leaf blowers you hear all around your subdivision when people are using them, they run at about 115 to 118 decibel. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on low, check the decibel reading, turn on high, and check the decibel reading. Now that's impressive how quiet this is. 82 decibel for low and 89 decibel for high. If you're not sure what decibel readings mean, an average person talks around 66 to 68 decibels. If you go into a library, you're looking at about 40 decibels. And a gas-powered leaf blower, they're around 115, 118 decibels. So let's say it's quite a bit quieter. There is one thing I wish this had was a shoulder strap. It's probably just something I'm going to get used to, but it's so lightweight you really don't need it. I just kind of miss having that for my old one. First impression review. Like most Bauer tools, I'm fairly impressed right out the gate. After I start using them for a while, I'm pretty impressed with how well they work and how little they cost. A lot of their tools, their drills, the saws, they all work great. They're all relatively cheap. Same thing with this. I'm going to try it out for a couple weeks, give you guys a full review, but first impression is I'm pretty happy with it. It's nice and lightweight, it's very quiet, it's compact. There is a screw mount here on the back, so if you put a screw in the wall, you can actually mount this right on the wall. Looks great too. The 2 speeds, I could really care less if it had 2 speeds. It really only needs 1 for me. I'm just going to put it on high pretty much all the time. But if you did want to run on low, it is quite a bit quieter on low as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something. Maybe that will help you decide whether this is going to be the right blower for you. And thank you for watching.